Imagine for a moment that the life you've dreamed of filled with financial freedom, endless opportunities, and a sense of security is already within your reach. It's not some distant future or far-off dream. Your time has come and millions are already on their way to you. It might sound too good to be true, but the reality is that the power to create your wealth has always been within you. You don't need to chase it, beg for it, or rely on luck. What you need to do is recognize the wealth that is already within your grasp. Everything you seek is already here, in your mindset, in your belief system, and in your energy. You've heard the phrase, when the student is ready, the teacher will appear. Well, the teacher is here. The universe is ready to align with you. But the first step is believing it's already done. The moment you step into the mindset of someone who already has millions, you will start to see it show up in your life. Your time has arrived, and wealth is no longer a dream, it's a reality waiting for you to claim it. Will you step up and claim what's rightfully yours? The law of assumption is a powerful and transformative principle. What you claim internally must become your external reality. Your internal world, your beliefs, thoughts, and feelings acts as the blueprint for everything that manifests in your life. If you constantly affirm that you are wealthy, abundant, and deserving, that belief begins to take shape in the world around you. So, how does this work? The law of assumption operates on the idea that your assumptions or your dominant beliefs are not just thoughts, they are instructions to the universe. When you assume wealth, prosperity, and success as your truth, you are energetically aligning yourself with those outcomes. Your thoughts become the filter through which reality expresses itself. Essentially, you are telling the universe, this is who I am, this is what I already have. Wealth is not something you chase, it's something you align with. It's not a far-off goal or a distant achievement. It is an energy, a vibration that you can tune into right now. You don't have to wait for a specific event, circumstance, or validation from the outside world. By shifting your internal state and assuming wealth, you create a magnetic force that draws opportunities, resources, and abundance toward you. The key here is recognizing that wealth is already within you, not a future condition to be earned. When you start claiming it internally, your external world will reflect that belief. It's not about figuring out the how, but about the what, knowing that you are worthy, that abundance is already yours, and stepping into that assumption as your new reality. So align your thoughts, feel the abundance now, and watch as your world shifts to reflect your internal state. The law of assumption is waiting for you to claim your prosperity. Wealth is not something to be sought outside of yourself, it already exists within you, waiting to be recognized and brought to the surface. The truth is, the millions you desire are not in a distant future or an external pursuit. They are already embedded within you in the form of your potential, your thoughts, and the way you perceive yourself and the world around you. When you look inward and recognize your own worth, you unlock the door to a life of abundance. The first step in creating wealth is not acquiring resources or waiting for an opportunity to strike. It's about acknowledging the power and value that already resides within you. Your internal recognition of this wealth is the catalyst that transforms your external circumstances. Wealth flows from the mind that believes it is already abundant. This isn't just about having money in the bank, it's about a mindset, a deep, unwavering recognition that you are deserving of prosperity. When you believe this at a core level, everything around you starts to shift. Opportunities open up. Resources align. The universe reflects your internal state and brings external manifestations that mirror your beliefs. The process is simple yet profound. Recognize your internal worth, your inherent ability to create wealth, and your connection to infinite abundance. This internal acknowledgement is what allows wealth to flow freely into your life. Once you embrace the truth that wealth is not outside of you, but within you, the external world begins to mirror this truth. The key is in the recognition. See yourself as abundant, as worthy, as capable, and the world will soon mirror this reflection back to you. Wealth is already yours, and it's waiting to be acknowledged. The moment you recognize this, everything changes. Living as a wealthy person today doesn't require a bank account full of zeros. It starts with how you carry yourself. Imagine for a moment that you already possess millions. How would you walk, talk, and think if wealth was already yours? The answer lies in embodying the energy of abundance in your every action, thought, and belief, even before the physical evidence shows up. To live as a wealthy person means aligning your inner world with the qualities that attract wealth. Walk with confidence, as if you are certain of the success as that is already yours. Speak with assurance, knowing that everything you desire is being attracted to you. Your thoughts should reflect prosperity. Think big, think expansively, and remove the limitations you've placed on your potential. Wealth isn't attracted by fear, desperation, or lack. It's attracted by confidence, certainty, and an unwavering belief that you are deserving of the abundance the universe has to offer. A wealthy mindset is about knowing that resources are limitless, and they are already on their way to you. When you walk with that certainty, it magnetizes the energy of wealth to you. Your external reality is simply a reflection of your internal state. If you live as though you already have what you desire, you'll begin to attract the circumstances, opportunities, and people that align with your wealth. This is not about pretending or faking it. It's about truly embodying the mindset of someone who is already abundant. So begin today. Carry yourself as the wealthy person you know yourself to be. Speak, think, and act as if your wealth is already here. In doing so, you'll see how quickly the universe responds to the energy you're putting out. Wealth flows to those who radiate the certainty that they already have it. The connection between ease and wealth is one of the most important yet often overlooked principles in manifesting abundance. Many people associate wealth with hard work, struggle, and stress, believing that the more effort they put in, the faster the money will come. But in reality, the opposite is true. Wealth flows to those who allow it, not those who fight for it. When you are in a state of stress, fear, or anxiety, you create energetic blockages that hinder the flow of abundance. Stress tightens your mind and body, causing you to operate from a place of lack and desperation. This energy repels the very thing you're trying to attract. On the other hand, when you relax, you align with the natural rhythm of abundance. A calm and confident mind is magnetic to wealth because it reflects the belief that all is well and there is enough for everyone. Think of it this way: when you let go of the need to control every detail and surrender to the flow of life, opportunities find you effortlessly. Relaxation doesn't mean doing nothing. It means trusting in the process, knowing that abundance is already on its way. When you stop forcing things to happen and allow space for ease and opportunity, you create the perfect environment for wealth to manifest. The more you embrace ease and flow, the more you open yourself to receiving all that the universe has to offer. The universe responds to your energy, and if you radiate confidence and calm, it will reflect that back to you in the form of opportunities, money, and success. So, if you're feeling stuck or frustrated in your pursuit of wealth, ask yourself, are you trying too hard? Relax, trust the process, and watch as wealth flows to you with ease. In the journey toward wealth and abundance, one of the most powerful shifts you can make is to stop seeking external validation for your success. Society often teaches us to look outside ourselves for proof that we are worthy, capable, or deserving, whether it's through approval from others, financial indicators, or external achievements. But in truth, the power to create your own reality lies entirely within you. The external world is nothing more than a mirror reflecting your internal beliefs. If you constantly look to your circumstances to validate your worth, you are giving away your power. Wealth does not appear when someone else approves of you or when you finally get that promotion. It begins within, when you truly believe that you are already wealthy and that your abundance is inevitable. To receive wealth, you must stop waiting for the outside world to change first. Change your inner state to one of already having what you desire. Feel the wealth now, even if it hasn't manifested physically. Align with the vibration of abundance, trust in your own worth, and know that you are deserving of everything you want. The external world will then shift to match your internal state. This means letting go of the need for confirmation. Instead of waiting for your bank account to prove you're wealthy, feel wealthy now. Instead of waiting for others to tell you that you're on the right track, affirm to yourself that you are already on your path to success. Trust that the universe is responding to the energy you emit, not to the outside circumstances that are currently in play. When you create your reality from within, the external world follows suit. The more you stop seeking validation, the quicker wealth will flow to you. You are the creator of your life. Your inner state shapes everything you experience. One of the most powerful misconceptions that many people hold is that wealth exists in the future, that one day, when the right circumstances align, they will finally experience the abundance they desire. But here's the truth: wealth is already here, right now, in the present moment. It exists in a parallel dimension, waiting for you to step into it. Time is nothing but an illusion, a mental construct that doesn't govern when or how wealth will manifest in your life. What truly determines the arrival of wealth is your internal alignment with it. When you align your thoughts, beliefs, and energy with the reality of already having the wealth you seek, you create the conditions for it to materialize in your life. The universe operates outside the constraints of linear time, so it responds to your energy, not the calendar. Instead of thinking that wealth is something you will eventually have in the future, begin to embrace the feeling of already being wealthy today. Feel the freedom, the security, the peace of mind, and the joy that comes with abundance, even if your physical reality hasn't fully reflected it yet. As you adopt the mindset of already being prosperous, you begin to align yourself with the frequency of wealth. When you step into this reality of abundance, something incredible happens. Time bends to match your beliefs. As you hold the inner knowing that you are already wealthy, your outer world will quickly follow suit. You don't need to wait for the right time or the perfect circumstances. You are the creator of your reality, and the wealth you desire is already yours. Now is the time to claim it. Imagination is the blueprint of creation. Before anything can manifest in the physical world, it first exists as a thought, a vision, or an idea within the mind. This is the very essence of how wealth is created. Everything you desire, every success, every opportunity, every experience of abundance begins as a spark in your imagination. When you picture your life of wealth and prosperity, you are not just daydreaming or fantasizing. You are setting the foundation for your desires to take form. Your imagination is like a seed. When you visualize the details of your desired life, whether it's the house you want, the lifestyle you crave, or the abundance you deserve, you are planting that seed in the fertile soil of your subconscious mind. As you engage in this mental creation, your mind begins to work in alignment with your vision. The more vividly and clearly you can see your wealth in your mind's eye, the more the universe begins to align with that image. The process of manifestation is rooted in this simple but profound law: what you think, you become. When you choose to focus on thoughts of abundance, you attract abundance. Imagination is not just idle thinking, it's the creative force that shapes your reality. To manifest wealth, you must make it a consistent practice to picture your life of abundance. Not just once or twice, but every day. Imagine yourself already living the life you desire. See the details, feel the emotions, and let the excitement of having it now fill your being. As you do, you send a powerful signal to the universe that you are ready to receive. Wealth begins as a thought, and when you align your thoughts with the vision of abundance, the universe must respond by bringing that vision into reality. Your imagination is the key to unlocking your wealth. When it comes to manifesting wealth, one of the most powerful things you can do is trust the process and focus on the end result, not on how it will happen. The universe works in mysterious ways, and its methods are far beyond your comprehension or control. Trying to figure out the how can often create confusion, frustration, and doubt, blocking the very abundance you seek. Think of manifestation like planting a seed. Once you plant the seed, you don't worry about the exact steps it will take to grow. You simply trust that with the right conditions, the seed will sprout, grow roots, and eventually become a full-grown plant. Similarly, when you set your intention for wealth, Your job is to plant the seed of abundance in your mind, then trust that the universe will nurture it and bring it into fruition. The end result is what you focus on. See yourself as already living in abundance, feel the emotions, enjoy the experiences, and know that the wealth you desire is already yours. When you focus on the end result, you align your energy with your desires and remain open to the opportunities that the universe brings your way. The how is not your concern, it's already taken care of. This trust allows you to let go of control and be open to the unexpected paths that may lead to your desires. The universe is not bound by time or human logic. What seems impossible to you may be a smooth, natural unfolding from a higher perspective. When you trust in the process, you free yourself from anxiety and embrace the flow of abundance. So focus on the end result. Trust that the universe has the perfect plan for you. Everything is already unfolding perfectly, just allow it to happen. Gratitude is not just a feeling, it is a powerful tool that aligns you with the energy of abundance. When you practice gratitude, you are essentially declaring to the universe that you already have what you desire, even before it has manifested in physical form. Gratitude serves as a confirmation that you believe in the arrival of your wealth, and in doing so, you begin to attract more of it into your life. It's easy to think that you must wait until your desires show up before feeling thankful. But true manifestation comes from believing in the unseen before it becomes visible. Gratitude is the key that locks you into the vibration of abundance. The more you express thanks for the wealth that is already on its way, the more you reinforce the belief that it is yours. This shift in mindset is crucial. When you are grateful, you remove doubts, fears, and the sense of lack, creating space for more to flow into your life. Think about it. When you're grateful for what you already have, you're sending out a signal that you are a match for more. The energy of gratitude elevates you to a frequency where abundance can find you. It's not just about saying thank you, it's about embodying the feeling of already being rich, prosperous, and deserving. This feeling attracts even greater abundance because you are already vibrating at the frequency of wealth. So practice gratitude before you see the results. Thank the universe for the millions you know are already on their way. Feel the emotions as if your wealth is already here. Gratitude opens the floodgates to more abundance, because when you believe in your wealth before it arrives, you send out the clear message that you are ready to receive it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this message has lit a fire within you today. Remember, your time is now. The millions you've dreamed of are already on their way, and it's your belief, confidence, and alignment with that truth that will bring them into your life. If this resonated with you, don't just keep it to yourself, share the energy. Drop a comment below and tell me, what does your life look like when you already have millions? Let's get the conversation started and support each other on this incredible journey. And if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more inspiration and actionable steps to manifest your dreams. You are ready. You are worthy. The universe is waiting for you to claim your abundance. I'll see you in the next video.